Hi, I'm Stacy Cole, and welcome to Eco Grow Garden Tips, where every garden blooms with possibilities. Today we're going to talk about something every gardener faces: mistakes. Don't worry, we've all been there. But I'm here to help you fix those blunders so your garden thrives, no matter where you come from or how long you've been gardening. First up, overwatering. It's the easiest mistake to make. Plants aren't fish. They don't need to swim. Too much water can drown roots and lead to root rot. The fix? Use a moisture meter or simply stick your finger in the soil. If it's damp 2 inches down, you can skip the watering. In many parts of the world, gardeners have developed techniques to adapt to their climates. In dry regions, drip irrigation is key, while in tropical climates, rainfall takes care of most watering. Bonus tip: water your plants early in the morning to avoid evaporation. This ensures your plants get all the moisture they need for the day. Next, we've got overcrowding. While it might seem like a good idea to plant as many veggies as possible in one spot, your plants actually need space to stretch their roots. Think of it like a dance floor. No one likes being elbow to elbow. In indigenous American cultures, the Three Sisters method, planting corn, beans, and squash together, demonstrates how plants can complement each other when spaced correctly. Bonus tip: for example, tomatoes need at least 18 to 24 inches between plants, while squash requires around 36 inches. This gives them room to grow without competing for resources. If you're not feeding your plants, you're setting them up for failure. Plants need nutrients to grow strong, just like us. Organic compost or natural fertilizers are key. Add compost to your soil and watch those plants transform into the healthiest versions of themselves. In Japan, bokashi composting breaks down kitchen waste quickly, enriching the soil. While vermiculture, using worms, is a sustainable method embraced globally. Bonus tip: there are many types of compost you can use, like kitchen scraps, fallen leaves, and grass clippings. Each adds unique nutrients to the soil, helping your plants thrive all season long. Mistake number 4: neglecting soil health. Soil health is the foundation of your garden. Neglecting it is like building a house on quicksand. Add organic matter, test your soil's pH, and improve it with natural amendments. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. In the Amazon, ancient farming practices created rich black soil called terra preta, which is still fertile today thanks to the use of biochar. Different plants have different pH preferences. For example, blueberries love acidic soil, while lettuce prefers more neutral soil. Let's move on to mistake number 5: neglecting to prune your plants regularly. Many gardeners overlook this very crucial step, but failing to prune often enough can lead to overcrowded branches, reduced fruit production, and weakened plant health over time. When you prune, you help your plants focus their energy on growing strong and producing more fruit. Don't be afraid to cut back dead leaves or trim those suckers. In Europe, the espalier technique trains fruit trees to grow flat against a wall, while in Asia, the art of topiary creates beautiful, sculpted plants. Tomatoes, for example, grow best when you remove the suckers. This allows the plant to focus on producing fruit. Mistake number 6, ignoring or failing to manage pests early on. Pests are the uninvited guests in your garden, and ignoring them won't make them go away. Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, try natural remedies like neem oil or ladybugs. They'll protect your plants without harming the environment. In Southeast Asia, neem oil has long been used to keep pests at bay, while in the Middle East, garlic and onions are planted to repel insects. Did you know that marigolds can help keep aphids at bay? Planting companion flowers alongside your crops is an effective way to control pests naturally. Mistake number 7, forgetting to harvest. Finally, forgetting to harvest is a missed opportunity. The more you pick, the more your plants will produce. Don't let your veggies over-ripen. Get out there and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvest time is celebrated around the world, from Thanksgiving in the USA to Pongal in India. Timely harvesting ensures your plants keep producing. Before we wrap up, let's chat about the essential tools every gardener should have. Whether you're tending a small urban garden or a spacious backyard, having the right tools can make all the difference. A hand trowel is one of the most versatile tools in your gardening kit. It's perfect for digging, planting, and transplanting small plants or seedlings. Here's a friendly tip. Look for a trowel with a sturdy stainless steel blade and an ergonomic handle for comfort. Pruning shears are essential for trimming dead branches, harvesting vegetables, or maintaining shrubs and perennials. Another helpful tip: keep your pruning shears sharp and clean to avoid damaging your plants. A garden fork is fantastic for turning soil, loosening compacted dirt, and mixing compost. Another great tip: choose a garden fork with sturdy stainless steel prongs to ensure it doesn't bend when working in tough soil. A watering can with a rose attachment provides a gentle shower of water, perfect for delicate plants like seedlings or flowers. And here's a quick tip. For larger gardens, consider using a drip irrigation system to save water and ensure your plants are well hydrated. A garden hoe is ideal for preparing the soil, removing weeds, and making planting rows. Another quick tip: use a lightweight hoe with a sharp blade for easier handling. It's important to protect your hands while gardening. Gardening gloves are highly recommended. They protect your fingers from dirt, thorns, and blisters. Another friendly tip: choose gloves that are durable but breathable for comfort. That's it for today's tips. If you learned something new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another gardening adventure. We're growing a community here at EcoGrow Garden Tips, and we'd love for you to be part of it. Leave a comment with your biggest gardening win or challenge. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep growing, stay inspired, and let's make every garden bloom. Welcome to the EcoGrow family. Join our community. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy gardening!